Okay everyone, today we're doing RJ45 connections. We have easy connections for CAT6 and CAT5E, which for the CAT5E, this is that cable here. We're not going to do this one today though. We have a little bit of a bigger cable we're using, which is CAT6. First thing you want to do, get your strain relief. Get that on here. Once you slide that on, you'll go ahead and strip off about an inch or so of just the jacket, the outer layer. You'll go around maybe once or twice, no more than that because you don't want to damage the wires underneath. You'll pull that off, and then I always like to just cut off that little string there since we're not going to use it for anything. Go ahead and separate your 4 twisted pairs of wires and cut off the plastic divider. You'll unravel each one of these, and when you unravel all of them, you're going to straighten them out as straight as you can get them, so that basically they're going to look like this. Once you get all of them straight, you'll lay them flat, which I already trimmed this one, and you'll trim it down. And then you're going to go ahead and put them in the correct color pattern using one that you've chosen. There's a couple different ones that you can use. As long as they're the same on both ends, it doesn't really matter which one you use. So after you put them in the correct color pattern, it'll be orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, blue stripe green, brown stripe brown. You'll lay them out like that, and when you slide them in, you have to make sure that they stay in that same pattern, and which is a little tricky at first. You'll slide them in, pins are facing away from you, and I've already done one here. And once you slide them through, you're going to check your color pattern again. Orange stripe orange, blue stripe blue, or I'm sorry, blue stripe, green, brown stripe brown. Oop. Once you see that they're all correct, you're going to go ahead and slide on your strain relief. We're going to crimp off the excess, which also locks it into place. So you'll use the second one here for RJ45. Make sure that they're real clean. You're going to have 2 ends that we're going to test here. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. And this will just make sure that all your wires are working. The first one says wire map. Go ahead and click on that. It's saying testing, local found, wire map pass. So everything is done correctly, and your RJ45 connections will work. And that's all you really need to know about RJ45 connections. I hope this helped.